mystics, and welcome home. I am Majestic Presence. It is an honor and privilege in being chosen this year to hold our fifth pillar, radical evolution. Radical evolution in this sense is alchemizing and embodying all of the pillars, creating the space and opportunity to transcend and even enhance our perceived limitations. Each year we arrive on playa as caterpillars and emerge as butterflies. So I'm looking forward to seeing all of your beautiful faces and witnessing the radical evolution in you. Signing off with love. See you in the dust.